Hello, Mr. Wellman. This is Francisco Avendano, csc110 final project. So for our final project, we need to create a card to queue decorate with turtle pattern, something like this picture. So to start, I import the turtle model, then I start my first pattern. So to draw my first pattern, I decide to draw a bit square and fill it with a color 8, like this here. So then I can draw the first line of my pattern, and each time I wanted to fill the small square, I want to do it with the color AA, like this one, which is a different color than the A. This code is just to draw the first line of my first pattern. So then I make a new function to call this function 3 times. So that will make a perfect square, and that's my first pattern. Most important thing about the pattern is to make sure to know where text is, so you could keep the track. The first pattern, I just need to create the code for the second pattern, which is this one, and for the third one, which is this one. Pattern 3. And it is important to code the move of text perfectly, because in that case the pattern will connect, so we don't have my level. For my top level function, I call each function to make the final pattern, which is the cube. So notice that I create an input where I ask the user to enter the size of the pattern, so it will be asked of the user to determine the final size of the cube. So let's just taste it. So let's say I want size 40, and this is my final pattern. Thank you.